with me, or do we have a loose connection? You're the shit that I live for, and babe, you're killing me. Have you got a double life? You're not in mine, so where you go, baby? Feel like I imagine the whole thing, and I got issues I overthink. So why you put me through this when you know where I've been? You're not cutting it, I need security. Why you hurt me, you know how I feel. Nothing else to prove that I'm real. We got a loose connection, a bad line. Can't hear you, babe, there's no communication. So tell me what you're sitting on your secret if avoiding me. It's like you got something to hide. When I'm texting you, it's short replies and I get no answers. What do you want from me, or is it one thing? I told you straight up what you mean to me. So why is it so difficult to get hold of you? I feel like you owe me. At least you could show me why it is you're so distant. You make me fall like raindrops, and I wonder, will this just blow over? Now I'm sitting with my eyes closed, trying not to let these tears fall. Don't let my feelings show, and I never give my hopes up. You're not cutting it, I need security. Why you hurt me, you know how I feel. Nothing else to prove that I'm real. We got a loose connection, a bad line. Can't hear you, babe, there's no communication. So tell me what you're sitting on your secret if avoiding me. It's like you got something to hide. When I'm texting you, it's short replies and I get no answers.
What the fuck's wrong with your phone?
You know, girl, I need security.
Hey yo, babe. Look, I can't even hear you.
Why you hurt me, you know how I feel.
Babe, can you hear what I'm saying?
Nothing else to prove that I'm real.
Connection's kind of loose right now.
So tell me what you're
Gotta go,
sitting on
maybe
your
it's my phone.
secret if avoiding me. It's like you got something to hide. When I'm texting you, it's short replies and I get no answers. You're shit that I live for. Babe, you're killing me, babe.
Connection's kind of loose right now.
Got a loose connection. Got a bad line. I can't hear him, babe. And there's no communication. When I'm texting